Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you with a voiceover. So this is a little styling tutorial. We're going to use these synthetic hair accessories from Hairdo. This one is a 2-pack and it is the Stylo-Do. You can purchase this from tmwigs.com. It comes with these 2 different ones in 1 pack, and again, you can get them from me. Just let me know and I will order those up for you. We are going to be using Orchid from Estetica here, and I have a full review on her. I also have a bunch of videos using these synthetic wig accessories, so I will link those as well. But what I'm going to do is just brush her down, and then I'm going to pull her back right here at the top, and just making sure that we brush it through and that we gather it, so when we put the hair accessory in, you know, it's going to look really nice. But this is so simple and easy to do. I'm just taking my brush here and making sure that all the fibers are smooth, and then what I'm going to do is grab one of the 2 pieces. I usually grab the bigger one here, and I'm just going to wrap it around like I would a scrunchie. It's so quick and easy, and these light pieces here really set off the icy tips of this particular style. Then I am going to just, you know, sort of mess with the Stylo-Do so that it's laying properly. And then on the bottom part, I am just doing a twist and then twisting that around, and I'm going to pin it up underneath where the Stylo-Do is. This will also help just secure it and anchor it a little bit, and you won't have to worry about it falling too much whilst you are wearing it. Then the part on the bottom that I left loose, I'm going to go ahead and braid that. And you can also do a twist, but I just really like the braid just to give it a little something different. So you're going to braid that all the way down to the end. Obviously, I'm doing this on a mannequin head. You know, you can do this on yourself if you feel confident, but a lot of times I do style wigs on my own self, but for this particular style, I was doing it as a favor to someone, and I wanted to show her what I was doing. So I kind of just loosened up that braid and wrapped it around and pinned it up underneath. So now we've pinned part of it to the top, and now we're pinning to the bottom, so it's going to give you that extra security. Look how pretty it looks. I'm then taking, I felt like it was just like a little bit too much, so I took a little bit and pinned it back a little bit more, and I'm just going to go around the entire style and sort of pin some of these loose edges around where the sides are, just to give it a little bit of a lift and more coiffed look, and spread the braid around just a little bit and put a little bit more pins in there just to anchor the whole style. And I think it turned out really beautiful. So this is very simple and easy. Just loosening up some tendrils in the front. You can style that the way that you would want to. And this, I just love this wig by Estetica. I will soon be selling Estetica, so that's very cool. I wanted to give it sort of this like comb over look, you know, like a side sweep. So that's what I'm doing here. And just making sure, like, just all the little tendrils. You don't want to be too coiffed, especially wearing a wig, because then I think it does sort of look a little bit more, you know, fake that way. You want it to look like natural hair would look. So there will be some pieces that are kind of falling down a little bit. And I'm going to use that awesome spray because I wanted to get this to really be a nice lift and fold over, and instead of just using regular water, I wanted to use this awesome spray, and then it would smooth and dry in a really nice way. Really all I'm doing right now is just going to play with the front a little bit so that it lays in the way that I would like it to. I wanted a little bit more lift on the top, and you know me, especially with bangs, I don't like stuff in my face, and I also like that they are sort of flowing back into the style in a particular way. So I'm just going through and playing with it really, and that's going to be your preference on how you want this part to look. You could easily pin this side if you wanted to. You could use some wig wax spray. That would just be, again, your preference. So this is what the style looks like when it's all done. It does kind of look really intricate. You saw it was so easy to do. And with the pins and stuff, it really shouldn't fall. You should be able to wear it to your special occasion and not have any worries and look fabulous. So that is what I have for you for this styling tutorial. I do have other styling tutorials on my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, you should, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!